What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got an awesome watch face to check out on Funday Sunday watch face review. Happy Father's Day to everyone, especially my subscribers. I don't know what you got planned, but I think I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day. I don't know what the wife got planned for me, if she's gonna cook, take me out to dinner, give me $100. I don't know, guys. But in the comment section below, let me know if you guys got any plans, what you're gonna do, what you got. And I'll let you know what I got if I get anything. All right, you all, that's it. Let's go ahead and kick this review off. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we got a nice watch face for you all to check out by SB Watch Faces. This watch face is nice. I like the design. It's bold, it stands out, and it has a good look. Now, this is pretty much a casual watch face, but still, all the same, this watch face looks great. All right, so the name of the watch face is called Triathlon, if I pronounced that right, okay? Now, this is in the red color. They got many other different colors. I believe it's pink, orange. I think they may have yellow. You got to check out this guy's lineup in the Gear Manager store. I'm telling you, it's worth a peek. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. Now, in always on mode, this is just dimmed down. You're going to get the same total look in the always on mode. But when the watch face is on, everything is lit up. You got your battery percentage, you got floors climbed, you got miles walked around, and down at the bottom, of course, you're going to get your steps. Now, I like the band that's going across this watch face with the time on it. And I like the combination of colors because it makes the time stand out. So I'm looking at this and I'm like, you know what? This is worth the download. Now you get your date right here, and you also get your day of the week. Now, as you can see, it's interactive. So if I want to tap here on my steps, I can get information there. And of course, miles walked around, calories burned, your battery info, floors climbed. And if I tap here, I can go in and set an alarm. So I thought this was a good look. I believe it's affordable in the Gear Manager store. It doesn't cost that much. Check out this watch face. I'm telling you, you're gonna like it. All right, you all, this is gonna be it for Funday Sunday watch face review round 1. I hope you enjoyed it. Continue enjoying your Father's Day, and I will see you guys at the next video. Take care.